Welcome to Compare to Win. The best LEGO adult building sets is probably one of the most sought after and rewarding hobbies for adults looking to unwind, challenge their minds, and create something tangible and impressive, offering a unique blend of nostalgia and sophisticated design that appeals to both seasoned builders and newcomers alike, making it a perfect escape from the daily grind and a fantastic way to express creativity. Number 5. LEGO Botanicals Flower Bouquet 10280. Introducing the LEGO Botanicals Flower Bouquet, a unique building set for adults. Create a stunning display of artificial flowers that never withers. This set features 15 flexible stems with a variety of realistic flower and leaf elements. You can arrange them in countless ways to suit your style. Behold the first ever LEGO artificial flower bouquet, crafted with 17 new elements for lifelike petal shapes and vibrant colors. It's the perfect decoration for any home. With posable petals and adjustable stems, you can create truly unique arrangements. It's a wonderful way to personalize your space or craft a thoughtful gift. Looking for a gift that lasts? This botanical collection is a perfect choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. It's a present that keeps on giving. This set is part of the wider LEGO Botanical Collection, offering other beautiful building experiences. Explore more sets like the wildflower bouquet or the orchid. Let your creativity bloom as you build this vibrant display. It's a relaxing and rewarding experience that results in a beautiful, lasting piece of art. What we like. This is the first ever LEGO artificial flower bouquet, offering a unique way to decorate your space. If you're looking for a gift that lasts forever or a way to add a touch of nature to your home without the maintenance, this is the perfect choice. You can create stunning, personalized arrangements that never fade, making it ideal for any occasion or as a constant beautiful display. What people say. The instructions are clear, and the pieces fit together smoothly, perfect for a calm, enjoyable build session. Once complete, the bouquet looks surprisingly realistic and makes a great decorative piece for a table, desk, or shelf. The construction is engaging and age-appropriate, and the finished product looks stunning as a home decoration. The quality pieces and excellent packaging ensure everything arrives in perfect condition, making it a fantastic activity for quality family time. The diverse array of blooms it offers is outstanding, from roses to daisies, every flower is uniquely charming. Building it was a breeze. With clear instructions and a fun assembly process, it's a 210 in difficulty but a 1010 in enjoyment. Once put together, it's a decorative gem. The vibrancy and whimsy it brings to any space is remarkable. Number 4. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Inside, you'll find the iconic cafe studio along with all your favorite characters. Recreate memorable scenes with the included minifigures and their cool accessories. This 1070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for any fan of Friends memorabilia, whether you build solo or with loved ones. It's compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. Unleash your creativity to build unique models and tell your own stories. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office. What we like. Relive your favorite moments from the classic Friends TV show with this iconic Central Perk Cafe build. If you are a dedicated fan of the show and love to display your fandom, this set is a must-have. It's perfect for recreating memorable scenes and showing off your love for the series to fellow enthusiasts. What people say. The set is a fantastic display piece, with intricate details that really capture the essence of the vehicle. The building experience was engaging and satisfying, with clear instructions and well-organized pieces. The final model is sturdy and looks impressive on a shelf, a great addition for any adult LEGO fan. Number 3. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Recreate the legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this incredible LEGO set. It features a detailed brick recreation of the iconic glove, complete with the vibrant Infinity Stones. Capture the captivating style of Marvel's Avengers movies. This impressive homage features movable fingers and vibrant colors, making it a timeless display piece for any fan. Inspired by Marvel Studios' Avengers, Infinity War and Endgame, this golden glove perfectly embodies the power seen on screen. It even includes a sturdy stand with a descriptive tablet. This building set for adults offers an iconic office or home decor piece. It's sure to be the center of attention and garner admiring comments wherever you place it. Looking for a great gift? These LEGO Marvel collectibles make fantastic presents for any adult or teen. It's an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or a personal treat for yourself. For any model-making enthusiast, this set is a must-have. It offers a rewarding building experience and a stunning final display piece that celebrates your love for the Avengers. What we like. Capture the power of the Marvel Cinematic Universe with this impressive LEGO recreation of the Infinity Gauntlet. If you're a fan of the Avengers movies and want a striking display piece, this is for you. It's an ideal way to showcase your appreciation for the epic saga and add a touch of cosmic power to your collection. Number 2. LEGO Ideas International Space Station 21321. Challenge your construction skills with this incredible display model. Discover authentic details as you build, including rotating solar panels and opposable Canadarm 2. This model comes with a stand, astronaut microfigures, a space shuttle, and cargo spacecrafts. Create a spectacular display and rekindle memories of childhood LEGO projects. Explore a 148-page booklet filled with facts about the International Space Station. Learn about the fan creator, LEGO designer, and the 10th anniversary of the LEGO Ideas theme. This set is a super treat for yourself or a great gift idea for space fans and experienced builders. It offers hours of creative fun, whether built solo or with friends. This impressive building kit for adults makes a beautiful display model. Measuring over 7 inches high, it's sure to catch the eye of every passerby. What we like. Embark on an interstellar journey with this detailed LEGO International Space Station display model. If you have a passion for space exploration or enjoy challenging builds, this set offers an incredible experience. It's perfect for anyone who dreams of the stars and wants a spectacular centerpiece for their display. What people say. It's a fairly large set when done and fairly spindly. As is the real ISS, this is more a display piece than a toy for children, as many of the smaller modules and antenna dishes are quite delicate and will come off easily. It does have movable solar arrays and a semi-articulate Canadarm, along with a docking collar that can dock a couple of the micro-scale spacecraft that are included: SpaceX Dragon capsule, Boeing Starliner, NASA Space Shuttle. Technically there is a fourth, the Russian Soyuz capsule that is on the rear, docked as an emergency escape capsule. Every bit of decoration is printed on the pieces themselves, so no stickers are required. Assembling this model is an engaging and educational experience, perfect for both LEGO enthusiasts and space aficionados. The intricate details, from the solar panels to the various modules, make it a fascinating display piece of medium size. The final product is a perfect shelf filler decor for a room, and the solar panels being fully adjustable help it fit in wherever that may be. Number 1. LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing the LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282. Build and display one of the most iconic sneakers in the world. It's packed with authentic details, including the famous shell toe and the signature serrated stripes. You'll even find the Adidas logo on the tongue. With included shoelaces and packaging that mimics the original shoebox, this model is a fun and realistic tribute to the classic sneaker. Looking for the best gifts for Adidas fans? This model kit is ideal for anyone who loves streetwear collectibles. It's also a great project for adult LEGO builders looking for something different. Enjoy a rewarding building experience. Once completed, it measures over 4.5 inches high, 10.5 inches long, and 3.5 inches wide, making it an impressive display piece for any fan. What we like. Step up your display game with this LEGO tribute to one of the most iconic sneakers ever made. If you're a fan of streetwear, unique collectibles, or simply appreciate clever design, this set is for you. It's a fantastic way to showcase your style and love for fashion history in a fun, brick-built form. What people say. First, model comes in a real shoe box and wrapped in paper mache like the real thing. You have the option of building a right or left shoe, plus there is a red LEGO brick on sole, a play on stepping on LEGO and hurting foot. This is one of my favorite Lego sets, so realistic and comes in an actual Adidas shoe box. The size of the model is larger than expected, equivalent to a size 40 shoe. Additionally, it has medium to high complexity, the shoe box is very beautiful and the manual includes information about the history of the actual footwear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.